Want your coloring to look more like this? So here are our two balls waiting to be colored, but how we approach them makes a big difference. First, let's give a base color, nothing fancy yet. Now we'll add lights and shadows. Easy idea. Lights are lighter, shadows are darker than the base color, right? So for the highlight, let's add some white to the base and apply it. Done! Now for the shadow, we'll darken the base with black. Apply that. And there we go, highlight and shadow. Finished, right? Well, not quite. Here's the trick. We'll jump to the other guy, we'll take the base color again, but instead of only adding white for the highlight, we'll mix in another color close to it, like this. Wow, looks more awesome than before. Let's make the same trick with the shadow as well. Instead of just black, we'll add another nearby color, like this. Apply that, and wow again, more intense, more interesting and colorful. What do you think? The next one is a full tutorial packed with coloring tips, tricks, step-by-step guidance and, well, coloring. See you there.